Hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this article, Trump turns the tables, Dem impeachment leader guilty. After months of sham hearings, partisan witnesses, and still no evidence President Donald Trump did anything wrong on his July phone call with the Ukrainian president, House Democrats are about to officially vote on impeachment. The Democrat-controlled U.S. House of Representatives will officially vote on Wednesday, December the 18th, to charge the president with obstruction of Congress and abuse of power. But in their desperation, Democrats may have walked straight into a legal trap. A new bombshell report reveals that the liberal Democrat leading the impeachment hearings has been accused of demanding his own illegal quid pro quo. House Intelligence Committee Chairman Adam Schiff selected and allowed Norm Eisen to help build their case and ask witnesses questions during House hearings about Trump's Ukraine phone call. Eisen is nothing more than a left-wing lawyer guiding the Trump-hating House Democrats' impeachment inquiry. Eisen's illegal act has resurfaced. Eisen briefly served in the Obama administration as the ethics czar, and one U.S. senator is on the record saying Eisen broke the law while in the White House. Inspector General Gerald Walpin found one of President Obama's friends knee-deep in dirty dealings with taxpayers' money. As noted by the Washington Examiner back in 2016, Obama showered his buddy, then Sacramento Mayor Kevin Johnson, with federal grants supposedly to fund a charity Johnson runs. Walpin found that the money was being used for nefarious purposes, such as to wash Johnson's car, pay for public outing, and his political campaign. Obama's team tried pressuring Walpin to back off, but he barreled forward until Norm Eisen stepped in. Norm Eisen attempted to evade the statute, said U.S. GOP Senator Charles Grassley of Iowa, saying the liberal lawyer broke the law. Grassley said he learned that Mr. Eisen personally delivered an ultimatum to Gerald Walpin. He demanded that Inspector General Walpin resign or be terminated within 1 hour. That put Eisen in the middle of an illegal act, Grassley said. At the time he delivered the ultimatum, no notice had been provided to Congress, as it is legally required by the Inspector General Reform Act, Grassley added. The IG Act requires the President to tell Congress the reasons for removal of an Inspector General 30 days before taking action. Eisen played the lead role of forcing Walpin to quit or resign so no one would hear about Obama's ethics violations. During a speech on the Senate floor, Grassley declared that Eisen tried to force a quiet resignation and thus remove the Inspector General from office without notice to Congress. The only reason Eisen didn't go to jail, Grassley continued, is because Inspector General Walpin did not yield to the pressure. No court had a chance to rule on whether that would be appropriate. How about that? Grassley said Eisen's actions were so egregious that he could have gone to jail over his efforts to prevent Walpin from exposing Obama's ethics violations. Now consider that Eisen is the man leading the Democrats' impeachment witch hunt in the Democrat-controlled House. As noted by Trump's War Room, Eisen is nothing more than a left-wing hack who has been trying to remove Trump for years. Democrats have no case, and they are clearly desperate. They have accused Trump of just about everything imaginable, and after months of wasting taxpayer dollars to hold impeachment hearings, they still can't prove the president did anything wrong. And Republicans have already revealed exactly what's going to happen when the impeachment trial moves into the Senate in January.